Hello, my name is Ángela Adriana Maya Jiménez. I am studying Bachelor in Mathematics. A continuation, present activity 5 of the course of English. The Simón Bolívar Park. Simón Bolívar Park is located in the city of Bogotá, in the location of Teusaquillo. It is considered the Ilud of Bogotá for the amount of trees and green space. Was inaugurated around year on 1983. I had invented a senate of important events. I invited you to come this park. You could do different activities. You could walk or hop, play soccer, or market and picnic in the family and friends. If you like fun, you should take and boat ride it. If you are more romantic, you could watch when your partner did things. It is ambitious to go in August in the summer festival. There are many activities and concerts. If you still do not come Park Simón Bolívar, what are you waiting for? Come visit, hide, and have fun.